Hey, what's up, friends? It's Dave Gambrill from Digital Marketing Mentorship with Dave Gambrill, as well as the Unleash the Awesome podcast. Wanted to let you know about something amazing that just came out today. Been working on it behind the scenes with my friend Stu McLaren. It's actually his conference, but it just came out today. It's called the World's Shortest Marketing Conference. And the idea behind it was Stu McLaren approached 60 experts and he gave them 60 seconds each to talk about some digital marketing expertise, specifically around content creation, traffic generation, and improving conversions. So if you go to gambrill.com/WSMC for World's Shortest Marketing Conference, you'll be able to get access to this. And when you do, you'll see this amazing page here, and you'll see all the speakers. You got Pat Flynn and Amy Porterfield and Russell Brunson and all kinds of people. Best strategies from leading entrepreneurs. I think the whole thing is down here, the whole lineup, but we each had a minute. And I say we because I'm one of the people that got to present in this conference, and you'll get to check it out. It's built entirely on this platform called Searchy, which is really cool. This thing Stu McLaren has helped create. It's really great for memberships, group coaching, stuff like that. All you have to do is enter your name and email address, and you'll see all of these people: Allison Prince, Brian Dixon, Christy Wright, Dave Gambrill. Look at that mean mugging face that I'm making there. Don't know why they chose that picture, but there I am. John Lee Dumas, all kinds of people. I'm not going to name them all, but Michael Stelzner. You probably recognize a lot of these people on this list. There's Ryan Levesque. All kinds of people. Jonathan Milligan, you probably recognize a lot of them. You should really go check it out. There's Stu and Pat Flynn and Russell, like I mentioned. It's really, really amazing. And I want to say all the presentations are 60-ish seconds with the bumper and the music and the intro and the outro and everything that they put on mine. Like, I got it to 60 seconds, but I think it's a minute and 8 seconds or a minute 10 seconds, something like that. But roughly 1 hour, you'll get access to all 60 of these people. And if it's one of these things where it's a low risk thing, it takes an hour of your time, but the upside could be amazing because just one idea from one of these people, me or anybody else, could fundamentally change the trajectory of your business and your life. Right? It could just be one thing. You could be stuck somewhere you don't even know it. So the cool thing about this is you can listen to it if you want, because Searchy is pretty cool. You can even listen to it a little bit faster. So you might be able to get it done in half the time. I don't know if you'd want to listen to it at 2x speed, but you can listen to these presentations just a little bit faster if you wanted to. But I don't know why you need to listen to things faster. We already got it down to 1 minute a piece, but there's really good stuff in there. I've been watching some of the other presentations from some of the other folks, and I was like, ooh, that's something I need to change, or that's something I'm not doing that I need to start doing. So again, if you go to gambrill.com/WSMC, World's Shortest Marketing Conference, and wherever you're watching this, I'll make sure you get the link and you can go check it out. Go check it out right now. I don't know how long it's going to be available. So it's one of these things you want to opt in, go check it out, watch it, take some notes on it, and implement this stuff in your business today. See you on the inside.